Welcome back to Instant Keys Auto Locksmith East Sussex, and we are down in Rye Harbour. And I've got two vehicles here that need my attention. We've got a Ford Focus on an 06, which is going to need a new key and also the ignition. So going to get on with that in a minute, sort that out. A repair to the ignition. And then we've also got that Transit there, Transit Custom 2015 or 16, I think that is. We're going to be putting a new spare key. I'm going to use a slightly updated Ford key on that one. So stay tuned, let's get these vehicles back on the road. Welcome back to Instant Keys Auto Locksmith East Sussex, and we're over at the Transit now. And what we're going to do is put this newer shaped key on. Good key this, because you can actually change the battery on this as well. Just take the back off there and you can pop a new battery in, which the Ford original keys, good keys but sealed. So when the remote stops working, you're relying on just the blade to get in, and a bit of a pain if you've got an alarm active situation. So I put these on. Right, so we'll get on with programming this now. So new key into the slot, turn it on, and we're going to go immobiliser, connect. Using Smartpro for this one. Ignition is on, and we're going to add a key. So switch it on. Yes, it's on, and there we go. So gain security access, and that's it, we're through. Smartpro is very fast on these. Security access granted, checking key, success adding new key. Lovely. So we don't need to add another one, so that's done. So that should now start the vehicle if we just put the clutch down. Okay, so there we go. Remote at this stage will not be in on this one, and we shall do that next. Program remotes. Okay, it goes through a manual procedure, and we just go on, off. There we go, 4 times. And there we go, remote's in. So that is a 2016 Ford Transit Custom. That's a new key supplied, cut, programmed on site by Instant Keys Auto Locksmith, where service is always the key.